Good morning. Welcome, President.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm good.
Only in the morning.
He's getting the vaccine. So I need at least one member state to help.
Pictures here.
Yes. Nothing is happening, but